Today's video will show you quick steps on how to share a Google Docs file. To start, open up Google Docs in your web browser. Then you select the file you want to share and open it. Once it is opened, you click on the File tab at the top of the screen. Locate and select Share. Then you select Share with Others. Once it is loaded, you click on Restricted. You click on the arrow here and select anyone with the link. Now it has been updated. Now from here, you can choose if the person that has the link is only a view, a commenter, or an editor. If you choose an editor, you allow the person with the link to edit the documents. But if you choose only view, you could only view them. So, after making your choice, you click on Copy Link. Now the link has been copied. Now you click on Done. Now you have the link to your Google document copied to your clipboard. You can now share it to your friends on mail or any social media platform. And whenever they click the link, they have access to read the file. Ctrl V. So as you can see, this is the link pasted here. So this is a Google Docs link. Now you have successfully shared your Google Doc file. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Bye guys.